Guys, the best way to start your day is finding out that you had a package delivered from Blizzard Gear. And the coolest thing was I ordered a little special something something and looked out the window this morning and lo and behold, it arrived. So we are doing another Overwatch unboxing video. This one's a Blizzard Gear edition. Here we go. Let's crack this bad boy open and you will see what I got. Let's get the dang tape off here. Ding. Ding. Hopefully I got it. Ooh, I got it. We're going to pause for a second so I can pull my paperwork out. Do you guys see those colors? What do you think it is? I'm excited. Here we go. It is, and it says in the box, crafted with pride and imagination. Gear, Blizzard.com. I am not affiliated with Blizzard or anything for that matter. This is it. It is my Houston Outlaws coat. I got it in large. I've been excited to get this jacket. I ordered a large because I like my stuff to be like big so I can pile hoodies and stuff underneath. I am freaking excited, guys. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Oh, absolutely amazing. Love the hood. Stitching. Look at that stitching. Oh my freaking god, guys. I'm gonna bring the light over. I am freaking excited. It is my first ever coat from Blizzard. I love the Outlaws. They are my team. There we go. Got the light. Let's show this bad boy off. Look at that. Icon right there. Okay, here we go. Let's get this freaking thing off. Scissors out. Guys, look at this. Dude, I friggin' love it. The patch is sensational. Embroidered, yes it is. Look at that. God, guys, this thing is sick, dude. I friggin' love it. It's great. No fraying anywhere, man. I mean, it's just freaking sick. I absolutely love it. The back. Yeah. Look at that icon. God, it's freaking great. I am gonna try this sucker on. I have to. I've been waiting for this to come in the mail. And here we go, guys. There's the tag. Love it, love it, love it. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try it on because I freaking have to. Hook to the yeah, boy. It is baggy and I love it. And I got enough room in it. Yeah, pile on a freaking hoodie. It's all good. Pause it. I'm gonna pan this around real quick. Yeah, I love it, guys. Look at this coat. It is freaking the bomb. Love it, Blizzard. Yeah, boy. So happy. So I'm gonna pan it back around real quick. I just tried on my coat. As you saw, I am absolutely freaking ecstatic, man. The sleeves, everything are great. They're all, stitching's not too bad. I've got a little fray there, but that's not too bad. That's where the serger probably stopped. All in all, the coat feels great. It is nice, soft material. I got it for a decent price on Blizzard. There's the tags, official merchandise. Yeah, boy. So excited, guys. But it's great. It's got big, deep pockets. I ordered a large. Some people said the sleeves were too long, but I have extremely long arms. So the sleeves fit great. I've got enough room to move in it. I definitely, like I said, I'd ordered the large because I love to cram hoodies and stuff underneath my jackets. but man, look at that icon. Oh, it's just sweet. Sweet. Anyways, guys, I am freaking excited. I know you guys like Overwatch. You like to see these reviews. So, you know, I went and did somewhat of a big purchase for me. Here's the other tag here. BlizzardGear.com. Yeah. It's got the wash and stuff in there, how to wash it, and things like that. I'm pretty sure of it. It's different languages on the back. Yeah. I'm gonna be taking really good care of this bad boy, because like I said, I love the Houston Outlaws, and oh man, I've been freaking waiting for this bad boy to come in the mail. The hoodie is great. It's heavy. I love that it's heavy. It's really high quality. Anyways, guys, I really hope you liked that unboxing. I will do more for you. Just comment down below in the comment section, and we'll continue to have fun with these unboxing videos. Anyways, I love my coat. It is amazing. So, this is TW saying booyah. We'll see you in the next unboxing video. Thanks for watching.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.